Hello and welcome. Do you remember that pork that I couldn't stop making for my family for about a month? Well, we're gonna do something similar today, but we're gonna be using chicken. And for this recipe, we'll need 2 fresh chicken breasts, 1 red bell pepper, 1 poblano pepper, 1 yellow onion, 1 zucchini, 6 garlic cloves, a small bunch of cilantro, juice of 1 lemon, plenty of juicy sugar bomb tomatoes, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 tablespoon Mexican oregano, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon of rosemary, and half a tablespoon of seasoning salt. Make sure to adjust to taste. 1 tablespoon of chipotle chili powder, 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter, olive oil, 2 cups of chicken broth. Take your lemon and squeeze all that juice right into your chicken broth. And set it to the side. Take your chicken breast and slice them in half. Slice it into thin strips. And then into little chicken cubes. I'm going to place my chicken in the same tray that I've been using, and we're going to set this to the side. Make sure to wash your hands. Slice your garlic. Slice your peppers. Since my zucchini is large, I'm going to be using half of my zucchini. If you have a small one, use the whole thing. Slice it down the middle, and you want to slice them into half moons. Slice your onions, and if you have a small onion like I do, you can use a medium one or you can use 2 small. It just depends on how much you love the sauteed onions. Set all your ingredients to the side. Take your chicken and add it into a bowl. Add your onion powder, Mexican oregano, ground cumin, black pepper, rosemary, salt, chipotle chili powder, your sliced garlic. Gently combine all your ingredients. Next, you want to add your olive oil. Give that a good mix and set it to the side. If you're using a cast iron skillet, place your burner on a medium high. If you're using a green pan like I am here, make sure not to go over medium. Allow that to warm up for a good minute, minute and a half, and add your seasoned chicken. We're going to be searing our chicken for 4 minutes. What that means is do not move it. Let it cook for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, you want to add your butter, onions, and zucchinis. Let's go and give that a quick mix. Add your chicken broth. And continue to cook for 15 to 18 minutes. After 18 minutes, you're gonna see that your sauce starts to thicken up. If you need it a little bit thicker than this, you can cook it another 2 to 3 minutes, but for us, we're gonna get started on adding our sugar bomb tomatoes. Just prop them in whole. I know what I'm telling you. When these little babies pop in your mouth, that is a flavor you do not wanna miss, my friends. If you're a tomato lover and you love these little cherry style tomatoes, these are the ones to use. Add your peppers. Place the lid over your pan and continue to cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. Go ahead and turn your burner off and add your cilantro. Look at that, tomatoes ready for you, Cloud.
So ready.
Give that a quick mix. And we are ready to serve. This is optional but not necessary. Some purple pickled onion. I'll link a recipe in the description area. And some red radish. I'm gonna need somebody very special to say
Buen provecho.
Mmm. Did you see how juicy that tomato is?
Yes. That's my favorite part.
Mmm. It's absolutely perfect, friends. If you love our pork recipe, you're gonna absolutely love the chicken version. And this should take you anywhere from 25 to 30 minutes to make, and that includes your rice. Super easy to assemble for your family and friends. If you season your chicken and you let it set overnight, the flavor that it brings out is spectacular.
Do you have a tip for us?
I do. But I need to get a little bit of a horchata coffee.
If y'all want that coffee horchata recipe, we're gonna link it here.
Mm-hmm.
It's delicious.
Oh my goodness, it's so good. You need to keep it handy. My tip to you is, depending on the size of your chicken breast, in Texas, I was getting some really big chicken breast in here. They're medium size, so you're gonna need anywhere from 1.5 cups of your chicken broth to 2 cups. So if you see that your piece is really large, go with 2 cups. If you see that it's small, medium, you can even go from 1 to 2 to 1.5 cups. So just take it easy when you pour for that particular step. Other than that, you guys are ready to go and indulge, eat your veggies. And this is a healthy recipe.
It smells so good in here.
Delicious, and it packs great for meal prep. I love the way the pickled onions taste with this particular recipe. Look away, danger zone. As always, Claude and I are wishing you the absolute best. And remember, friends, when you love someone, you can't just love parts of them. You have to love all of them. Thank you all so much for your kind comments on our last recipe. And on that one, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Adios.